Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Aziru Oziri, and today we go talk about victims of people wey even though bullet no touch dem, wey injury touch. Wetin law talk about this their treatment, and the law wey we go use address this thing na one law wey dem dey call the Rivers State Compulsory Treatment and Care of Victims of Gunshots Law 2022. Before Rivers State pass this law, our National Assembly bin don pass am for 2017. Now wetin this law talk? Section 1 of this law talk say every victim of gunshot, whether na just scratch, section 1 talk say you get right to receive treatment, whether na for public facility, that is public hospital, or na for private hospital. You know say some private hospital dem dey feel say say dem no suppose treat person wey dem without police clearance. No, me victims to go hospital. You understand? Nobody tell me say before dem go treat dem make I go bring police clearance. So na practical things I dey teach una like this. This law talk say everybody has any kind injury wey you sustain because of wey dem shoot, get right to receive treatment before dem even begin talk about police clearance. Then section 2 of this law come talk about assist. Him talk say me say if we come across people wey dem shoot gun, you know say women person dem wetin dey kill victims of wetin dey kill victims late medical response wey be say dem no dey quick carry dem go hospital, na im dey kill most of dem. So this law talk say you wey be police officer, me, you, so if we see people, our duty to carry dem, assist dem, carry dem go hospital. Na so the law talk. And the law come talk say dem go receive this treatment with or without monetary assistance, because wetin dey make most people no dey gree carry victims of gun go hospital na lack of pay, so that dem no go pay medical bills. Me sef, I don empty my account before wey I dey pay for victims people. Dem empty my account for hospital. E no mean anything, e no comot anything from my body, I still dey. You understand? The money sef e no reach to use am buy plane, e no reach to use am buy house, so I just use am to assist human being. You understand? Na so law talk say make dem receive this treatment with or without monetary this thing, with whether dem don pay money, dem no pay money, say make you first assist dem. The law come still talk say where the hospital no get wetin e take to treat dem, say make dem give dem first aid. Everybody know wetin be first aid, that small treatment wey you go receive before you go meet doctor. You sef, you suppose get first aid for your house. So na so the law talk am. You give am first aid first before you go carry am dey go better hospital wey go fit cater for that person. Now the law come talk say payment, because na money to pay for medical bills, na im make most doctor no dey gree assist victims of, because doctor na money dem, even though dem dey save life, na from there too dem go get money pay their own bills. So this law, section 3 of this law come dey talk say after you don receive that your initial treatment, that treatment wey go remove you from that life and death, like that treatment wey don save your life, wey be say dem know say you no go fit die from there again. The law come talk say after you don receive that initial treatment, that first treatment, say you go make deposit. Say where you no fit make deposit, where you still dey unconscious, say when your relative come or your next of kin, anybody wey come wey relate to you or your friend, na dem go make the payment. The law come still talk say where the victim person, as dem carry am go hospital don treat am, the person don die, your relative when dem come, dem go still pay, because sometimes when doctor don treat patient finish, if the patient say patient don die na, we go still pay, you go still pay for the treatment wey dem don give your the patient wey die. Now the law come dey talk say where you no fit pay, you no get the money to pay, state go pay for the treatment wey dem take treat you. But where you get the money, you go fit pay, you no gree pay, na crime, na offence. And if you no gree pay, if court don jail you, find you guilty, dem go sen ten ce you to community service, and after you don serve that your community service finish, you go still pay the money. Na so law talk am. Law come still dey talk say on the part of doctor, say when doctors they don treat you, that first one wey dem treat you, say make dem inform police within a reasonable time. So wetin most hospitals dey do be say, as the doctor dey treat you, dem go send maybe their one of their staff to go inform police. Na so most doctors, hospitals dey do am. So any hospital, any health center, medical facility wey no gree treat victim of victim of na offence dem dey commit. You understand? Na offence dem dey commit. So just know say as a Nigerian, as a Rivers person, say you get right to be treated for any hospital if you sustain any injury or wound, anyhow you wan take talk am. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share. No just watch our video, after you don watch finish you just skip am. Share am make others dey watch for free as you dey watch. Thank you.